Okay, we've got mail. I believe that's from Hay House, but I'm not 100% sure, so let's open it up and see what we've got. I actually ordered a lot of things, so I'm hoping this is the Lightseers deck, but let's see what it is. Oh, okay, this is Kyle's new deck. Okay, we'll do the Lightseers another day. We have the Angel Guide Oracle by Kyle Gray. Okay. Awesome, awesome. I'm happy. I'm so excited to see this. He does such awesome work. My beautiful, lovely letter opener there. You should get one. Wait, you already have one. It's in your kitchen drawer. Yes, I'm a goofball. Okay. Thank you, angels, for reminding me of your presence, for revealing to me what I need to know. I am willing to listen and receive, and so it is. You know, I love these boxes, at least from Hay House. The boxes the cards come in are just, they're beautiful, they're strong. You can use those, you know, the life of the cards for their storage. The books are always fabulous. I do not have any affiliate with them. I wish they had an affiliate program because I would love to join it because I love their products, but they don't. I'm just sharing because I love the products, and yeah, so I'm really not getting anything out of this, so just other than reviews. So yeah, I mean, I'll see if, you know, I do have an affiliate with Amazon, so just for disclosure, so if they have it on there, I'll put a link for it. Not sure how it works because I'm kind of new at all this technological stuff. Okay, need my fancy letter opener for breaking that seal. Okay, oh, they still they need a little breaking in. They're a little sticky. Let me see if I got lined up. Okay. Angelic protection, ask and receive, blessings and abundance, clear, cancel, and release. Compassion, composure, courage and bravery. Oopsie, sorry. Cut the cords. Divine timing. Do the work. Okay, I take it, but if you got the point, I'll do the work. Sorry. I'm feeling goofy today. Earth and ground. Ease and grace. Expect miracles. Forgiveness and understanding. Friendship and union. Guardian angel. Harmony and resolution. Healing energy. Holy love. Honesty and communication. Inner child healing. Intuition and downloads. Oh my, I get lots of those. Joy and contentment. Learning experience. Listen deeply. Manifestation. Mother, Father, God. No. Opportunity and chance. Power and intention. Raise your vibration. Romance and connection. Sacred plan. Self-acceptance. Signs and reminders. Spiritual growth. Strength and guidance. Surrender. Take a step back. Take charge and action. Transformation. Trust the universe. Vulnerability and freedom. Yes! Right. A little sticky, but that's okay. They'll break in. That is beautiful. So another beautiful deck by Kyle Gray. And they're, you know what? These will be fine. They're just a little sticky because as you saw, they're straight out of the box. But they seem to be sized like the rest of the Hay House. And I don't have another right here to compare real quick. Because honestly, I've got my, I thought it was going to be the Light Sears deck that I ordered, so I had this to compare to. But I'm pretty sure this is the standard size. So yeah, they'll fit right in. I love them. They're great. They're beautiful. You should get this deck. And again, that is the Angel Guide Oracle by Kyle Gray. Thank you, Kyle, for another beautiful deck. And thank you, Hay House.